10 new camping gadgets on Amazon. Camping has never been more exciting. Whether you're a seasoned camper or just getting into outdoor adventures, the right gear can make all the difference. Imagine sitting in the most comfortable portable chair, cooking a delicious meal in the wilderness, staying warm and cozy at night, and never worrying about clean drinking water or power for your devices. These new camping gadgets are designed to make your outdoor experience easier, more enjoyable, and incredibly convenient. From compact cooking solutions to smart sleeping gear, each of these innovative products brings something special to the table. If you're planning your next camping trip, you need to check out these game-changing gadgets that will take your outdoor adventures to the next level. Click Lightweight Portable Camping Chair. Finding the perfect camping chair can be tricky. It has to be comfortable, lightweight, and easy to set up. The Click Lightweight Portable Camping Chair checks all these boxes and more. This compact chair folds down to the size of a water bottle, making it incredibly easy to carry in your backpack. Despite its small size, it's built to support up to 300 pounds, thanks to its durable aircraft-grade aluminum frame. The best part? It sets up in just 5 seconds. No complicated assembly, just unfold, click it into place, and you're ready to relax. Whether you're sitting by the campfire, watching the sunset, or just taking a break after a long hike, this chair provides superior comfort. The ergonomic design ensures proper support for your back, while the strong yet flexible fabric adapts to your body. JetBoil Zip Camping Stove Cooking System. Cooking in the wild can be a challenge, but not with the JetBoil Zip Camping Stove Cooking System. This ultra-efficient, compact stove lets you boil water in just over 2 minutes, making it ideal for quick meals, coffee, or tea while camping. It features a built-in heat exchanger that maximizes fuel efficiency, allowing you to cook with less gas. The 1-liter cooking cup locks onto the burner, preventing spills and making it safer to use on uneven surfaces. One of the best things about this stove is how easy it is to use. Just connect a small fuel canister, press the ignition, and you're ready to cook. The system is designed to work even in windy or cold conditions, ensuring you always have a reliable heat source. Climate Insulated Static Velux Inflatable Sleeping Pad. Getting a good night's sleep while camping can be tough, especially if the ground is uneven or too cold. The Climate Insulated Static Velux Inflatable Sleeping Pad solves this problem with its innovative V-shaped design that provides superior comfort and insulation. Unlike traditional sleeping pads that leave you feeling stiff and uncomfortable, this one cradles your body and reduces pressure points, allowing you to sleep soundly no matter where you are. The built-in insulation helps retain body heat, making it perfect for camping in colder temperatures. Despite its plush comfort, the sleeping pad is incredibly lightweight and packs down small, making it easy to carry in your backpack. GSI Outdoors Escape 3-liter Pot and Fry Pan. Cooking delicious meals in the great outdoors just got a whole lot easier with the GSI Outdoors Escape 3-liter Pot and Fry Pan. This compact cookware set is designed for campers who love to cook but don't want to carry bulky pots and pans. The pot collapses down when not in use, saving valuable space in your gear. Despite its lightweight design, it's incredibly durable and built to handle high temperatures and rough outdoor conditions. The non-stick coating makes cooking and cleaning effortless, so you won't have to worry about food sticking or spending too much time scrubbing. Whether you're making a hearty stew, frying up some fresh fish, or boiling water for pasta, this set has you covered. Coleman Triton Plus Propane Stove. A powerful and reliable stove is essential for camping, and the Coleman Triton Plus Propane Stove delivers top-notch performance. With 2 adjustable burners, this stove allows you to cook multiple dishes at once, just like you would at home. The wing blocking panels ensure that flames stay steady even in breezy conditions, and the push-button ignition makes lighting the stove effortless. No matches required. One of the standout features of this stove is its precise temperature control, allowing you to simmer, boil, or sear with ease. It's designed to use standard propane canisters, making refueling simple and convenient. The durable stainless steel construction ensures longevity, even with frequent use. Yeti Rambler 10-ounce vacuum insulated mug. Keeping your drinks at the perfect temperature while camping can be a challenge. but the Yeti Rambler 10-ounce vacuum-insulated mug makes it effortless. Made with double-wall vacuum insulation, this mug keeps hot drinks warm for hours and cold drinks chilled all day. Whether you're sipping coffee in the morning or enjoying a cold beverage after a long hike, this mug ensures every sip is just right. The durable stainless steel construction means it can handle drops and rough outdoor conditions without a problem. Plus, the mag slider lid prevents spills, making it perfect for camping, road trips, and everyday use. Rumple, the Nanoloft Puffy Blanket. Staying warm during chilly nights is crucial, and the Rumple Nanoloft Puffy Blanket is designed to keep you cozy in any weather. Made with advanced synthetic insulation that mimics the warmth of down, this blanket provides superior heat retention while remaining lightweight and packable. Unlike bulky sleeping bags, this blanket offers the freedom to move while still keeping you warm. It's also water-resistant and dirt-repellent, making it ideal for outdoor use. Whether you're sitting by the fire, stargazing, or sleeping in your tent, this blanket delivers warmth and comfort without the weight of traditional camping gear. Nemo Equipment Fully Recyclable Sleeping Bag. A good sleeping bag is essential for any camping trip, and the Nemo Equipment Fully Recyclable Sleeping Bag is changing the game. Unlike traditional sleeping bags made with mixed materials that are hard to recycle, this one is designed with sustainability in mind. Made from 100% recyclable materials, it's an eco-friendly option for campers who care about the environment. But just because it's sustainable doesn't mean it compromises on comfort. This sleeping bag provides superior warmth and insulation, keeping you cozy even on chilly nights. The roomy design ensures that you won't feel restricted, and the soft inner lining adds an extra layer of comfort. The hooded top helps trap heat while keeping your head warm, and the full-length zipper allows for easy temperature control. When it's time to pack up, it compresses down into a compact size, making it easy to carry. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. One of the most important things while camping is having access to clean drinking water, and the LifeStraw Personal Water Filter makes sure you never have to worry about that. This small but powerful device allows you to drink directly from lakes, rivers, and streams by filtering out bacteria, parasites, and microplastics. It's an absolute lifesaver for outdoor enthusiasts who want to stay hydrated without carrying heavy bottles of water. The best part? It requires no batteries or complicated setups. Just place the straw into any water source and start drinking. It instantly filters out harmful contaminants, making the water safe. Whether you're hiking deep into the wilderness or facing an emergency situation, the LifeStraw is an essential tool. Marbiro Portable Power Station. When you're out camping, keeping your devices charged can be a challenge. The Marbiro Portable Power Station is the ultimate solution for campers who need power on the go. This compact yet powerful battery pack can charge your phone, tablet, camera, or even small appliances like camping lights or a mini cooler. It features multiple output ports, including USB, AC, and DC, so you can power a variety of devices no matter where you are. One of the best things about this power station is that it can be recharged using solar panels, making it perfect for off-grid camping. Just set up a solar panel during the day, and you'll have a fully charged battery ready to use by night. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.